Have you ever wondered how to obtain a green card as a VAWA self-petitioner? You've come to the right place. The green card for VAWA self-petitioners is a provision under the Violence Against Women Act, designed for victims of battery or extreme cruelty. It's a path to citizenship that involves specific requirements and waivers for grounds of inadmissibility. It's not just for women, but for anyone who meets the criteria. In the next few minutes, we'll walk you through the process step by step. Step 1 of the process is to file Form 1360, the Petition for Amerasian, Widow ER, or Special Immigrant. This is a crucial document that serves as your initial application for the green card under the Violence Against Women Act, or VAWA. Filling out Form 1360 might seem daunting, but don't worry. The form asks for basic information about you, like your name, address, and immigration status. It also requires details about your situation, such as the nature of the battery or extreme cruelty you've experienced. When filling out the form, it's crucial to be thorough and honest. Make sure to provide all the necessary documentation that supports your case. This might include police reports, court records, or statements from witnesses. Each piece of evidence strengthens your petition and makes it more likely to be approved. After you've filled out the form, it's time to submit it. You can do this through the official U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services website. Remember to keep a copy for your records and be patient. Processing times can vary. Once you've successfully filed your I-360, you're ready for the next step. The second step involves adjusting your status, which is done through Form 1485, Application to Register Permanent Residence or Adjust Status. Form I-485 is the key to this step. This form is your application to register as a permanent resident or to adjust your status. It's the paperwork you need to transition from a VAWA self-petitioner to a green card holder. But what exactly does it involve? Well, think of it as your personal narrative. It's where you provide information about your background, your circumstances, and why you're seeking a change in status. It's your chance to tell your story and make your case for why you should be granted permanent residency. Completing the form involves answering a series of questions. These range from basic personal details to more in-depth information about your immigration history and any interactions you may have had with the law. It's crucial to answer these questions honestly and thoroughly. When it comes to filing your form, it's typically sent to a U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services office. But don't worry, as a VAWA self-petitioner, you have special confidentiality protections. This means your information is kept safe and is only used to process your application. It's not shared with other agencies or individuals, ensuring your privacy is respected. After filing Form 1485, you'll need to wait for approval before moving on to the final step. So take your time, do it right, and get one step closer to achieving your American dream. The final step is waiting for approval of your I-485. This is a crucial time to stay patient and prepared. After you've submitted your application, you'll find yourself in a period of waiting. It's natural to wonder about the length of this period, but it's important to remember that each case is unique and the timeline can vary. Generally speaking, it can take several months, even up to a year. During this time, it's important to stay informed and ready for any updates regarding your application. Keep yourself organized, maintain all your documents in order, and most importantly, remain patient. Remember, good things come to those who wait. Here's a bit of uplifting news. If you have family members who have been derivative beneficiaries of your VAWA self-petition, they may also be eligible for green cards. This means that your courage and resilience can pave the way for your loved ones to join you in starting a new chapter in the land of opportunity. Once your I-485 is approved, congratulations! You are a green card holder. Acquiring a green card as a VAWA self-petitioner may seem daunting, but with the right guidance, it's entirely achievable. Let's quickly recap the steps we've covered today. First, we discussed the importance of filing Form 1360. This is the initial step in self-petitioning under the Violence Against Women Act. It's vital to provide all necessary information and documentation in this stage to set a strong foundation for your application. Next, we delved into the adjustment of status process. This involves submitting Form 1485, which moves you closer to achieving your green card. Remember, special confidentiality protections are in place for VAWA self-petitioners during this process, ensuring your safety and privacy. Finally, we talked about the waiting period and the subsequent steps after approval. Patience is key during this time. Rest assured, a positive outcome makes the wait worthwhile. Each step is crucial in this journey, and it requires careful attention to detail. But don't feel overwhelmed. Help is available. For more assistance and guidance, schedule a call via the website of navasautomation.com. Your American dream is within reach.